Hey guys, I'm back with another painting video. So today I'll be painting a moon. So using a homemade stencil, and you need not require masking tape or so. Let's see how it turns out. So for that, I first mix my colors and paint out the background sky. Now I'll make the stencil for the moon. So I've taken a square size paper here, as you can see. Now I'll fold it into two folds. Now then I place my protractor in 90 degrees and mark the points. Then I'll just draw a quarter circle like this, and then I'll cut it. So my stencil is ready now for the moon. Now I'll paste it on the canvas where I want to paint my moon. So I'll use cello tape to secure the ends so that it doesn't really move when I am painting, because otherwise it will destroy my whole painting. So I've taken some white titanium color on my sponge, and then I'll just dab it simply just to get the outline. In this particular video, I'll be showing you how to paint the moon only, and the whole painting at the end. So I hope you stay tuned and watch. I hope you find this tutorial helpful so that you can also paint like this. So now I have mixed some white, red and blue, and now I'll just give a light base to the surface of the moon. And now I'm using blue, ultramarine blue, and I'm just pointing out the highlighted, the darker regions mostly. One thing is very important with acrylics is that we have to work in layers in case of acrylics. otherwise it will not stand out. So with layers the depth also increases, and I think the more layers we put in, the more vibrant it gets. I'm almost done with my moon. So this was a simpler version of moon which I showed here. I wish in later part I can come up with a much more detailed one. But this was indeed a simpler version. So by painting this moon, like in any of your paintings, which with other elements, you if you want to add a moon, so you can add a moon in such simpler way. Then also it will stand out and look good. So you can inculcate this in your paintings too. And otherwise now as you're saying that I'm giving my final touches, just the borders, I'm cleaning out the borders so that it looks good. I'll paint a cliff on both sides. I'll draw a road in the middle, and let's see how it turns out. If you find this tutorial beneficial, then do like it, and also if you want to watch more like this, then please subscribe to my channel. And also if you want to watch more such videos, then you can put in ideas in the comment section below. Till then, bye and take care.